Hello again, everyone. It's Flippin' Crazy. I have a small haul to show you here. There is some sterling in it and some regular stuff. So, where can I put this while I open it? Let me put it right there for now. And we're going to have to adjust it. Alright. I got this online. I don't remember what exactly I'm supposed to get in this. Alright, let's see what we've got. Let me get my little magnifier here. Alright, so this is what it looks like inside the box. And we have, well, it looks like we got a bunch of wine charms. Let me move this forward here. Under the light some more. Okay. So this appears to be a bunch of wine charms and maybe other charms, because I see that one there with the girl and the boy. That's not a wine charm. What I could do with these is take the charms off and make them into a charm bracelet. Make them into earrings. Let's see, do you want to be close up or do you want to be further away this time? Make earrings, make pendants for necklaces. So I'm going to have to see if there's any pairs, any beams that I could do on a charm bracelet. Let's see, Statue of Liberty there. Leaning Tower of Pisa. I don't know what that is. Oh, Eiffel Tower's there. So that'd be cool. And mouse is here. Alright, so we have that. I can work on that some other time. Okay, next, you can't go over there, bud. We have this bag. Come on, go somewhere else. Alright, so we're going to look at that bag. And mouse is checking it out first. Alright, then we have this bag of stuff. And we're going to go through. And I think there's another bag in here. Yep, there is another bag in here. Sorry for the loudness of the packaging. And there's another bag in here. So I don't know what's broken, what's good. Anything got broken during shipment. So we're going to take a look at all this now. And I don't know if you guys want to see they're just wine charms. Can deal with that at another time. Alright, mouse, get yourself comfortable, because I want to start showing some stuff here. You going to sit there? Sit down. Behave. Alright. Here, you want to play with the wine charms? You can play with the wine charms. Alright, let's open this first bag and see what we have. And I will dump it out next to me so it's easier to go through. Oh, this is very pretty. Very pretty. Wow. This is a nice pendant with abalone. Are you going to play with that? Do you like that? Here. Okay. So we have that pendant. Of course, I have a lot of stuff here I need to test. Very nice. No markings on the back. Kind of dirty on the back. I'm guessing it's not sterling. It looks very shiny, but I'm going to test it anyway and see. Still a beautiful piece. Stamped border. Gorgeous color in it. Alright, so we have that. I'll just put them back in the bag as I show them to you. Very pretty. Then we have these Dreamcatcher earrings. Mouse is just going to chill out. He's just chilling, see. He just wants to be near his mommy. It's blurry too. Hey, Mouse. Hey, sleepy boy. You going to hang out there? You going to hang out there? Alright. I'm going to move the camera. Okay, over here. Alright. So we have these Dreamcatcher earrings, very cute, on the card. I think today is a faraway day for focus, unless I move this up to the brighter. I don't know. We'll see when this comes out. Alright, so we have those. We have this carved pin. Don't know what it's made out of. Very intricate in design. Put it up there, you can see the darker background, it shows up better. I have that. That's really nice. Not sure. This could be possibly one of two things that it's carved out of, so I'll have to look into that further. I think I should just go down a little bit. Is that going to help for showing you guys stuff? It might. Okay. Oh, cute pair of clip-ons. This one's missing a stone, unless it's somewhere in the bag. This one here is missing a stone, but it could be in the bag. It could have come off in the bag. They're all different stones. Let me see. Where is the... Can't tell. He's just still chilling here. He wants to be in on the action. Right, Mouse? You want to be in it? You're falling asleep. Alright, so we're going to try to turn it this way. Let's see if that helps. Okay, next we have another necklace. Got a little knot in it. Oh, I got it out. This is not marked either. I'll have to test this and see. It's very pretty. The back has nothing on it. That doesn't really mean anything, but we'll just double check it. I have my acid, so I can acid test it. It's pretty. Next is a pin pendant. You can use it as a pin, and it also has the bail to be made a pendant for a necklace. That is gorgeous. A lot of colors, a lot of sparkle. I'll look at this closer later to see if it's missing anything. That is super pretty. That's too dark. Let's see if that might help. Next up, we have what appears to be a bone hair pipe choker. And there's a little concho there that they clipped on. It's got blue pony beads, and then the hair pipe beads, and then it's got the leather cord. And Mouse was interested in this. There you go. And we have this pendant. Whoops. Pretty. I'll have to look at this closer later. I think I need to get one of those Presidium gem testers. That's pretty. It's nice. Okay, then we have this pair of earrings. These are faux agate slices. They're pretty cool. Like them. With the nice stones at the top. Nice sparkle. These are post earrings. There you go. And backs look like that. Very pretty. They may be keepers. Alright, then we have this old pin. It's got that C shape on the end, and it says MEK, and this looks like a different metal than this metal. So I'm going to have to give this a closer look also. It's going to be hard to find somebody with the same initials. Alright, so we have that. And we have a little stretch bracelet with a stone and a couple faux pearls and just your basic bracelet. Oh, check this out. Then we have one in silver tone, which is LJK. LJK. Made the same way. They look very old. We have this circle pin with the flower. I'll have to look for markings on that later. He's sleeping. Alright, then we have this carved bird. Looks like mother of pearl. More mother of pearl. Choker necklace. That's the back of it. Pretty. This looks like a scrunchie. Letter K. With some rhinestones in it. Don't know what that is. It's in a bag. We have another pin, like so. That's the end of it. I'll have to test this metal too. They might be pearls, real pearls, and this might be real sterling up here. So I'll have to give that a second look. We have, whoops, you're pulling the towel. You pulled the towel right to you. You really want everybody to look at you that much? Silly boy. I'm going to go back here. Alright. So we have that one. Again, I'll look for markings. This is something in a baggie. Let's see what this is. It's very delicate. Oh, it's a string of something. It's a strand of something. It was a necklace at one time. It has a tag on it. And the tag says Holly Yashi. Holly Yashi. And whatever that was, that's what this was, this necklace. It's got a tag that says Holly Yashi. And the necklace is broken. That's the tag right there. So let's put this back in the bag before we lose anything. This might take us a little bit to get through. This stuff's knotted together. Give me a second. Let me try to separate some of it so I can show you some of the things we don't have to spend as much time on. Alright, so we have another circle pin with leaves. I'm going to have to test this for sterling too. It's a choker. Some kind of green glass or green stone cubes on it. Oh good, that goes here. We have this vintage necklace. It's gold tone. It has a barrel clasp. They're elongated ribbed beads. It has a little tassel at the bottom. So I have that, and then I have the matching earrings. I have the matching earrings to it too. So that's a nice little set. And then there's this necklace. Looks like it might have a sterling clasp on it. I'll have to check. It's got these little glass beads. Let's move through that a little quickly. And we have this multi-strand necklace, and it's got glass circles and squares on it. This is, can't make out the name. It is Liz and Company. There's a big knot here. Because this is magnetic, so this brought everything together in the middle. Oh, I like that one. Getting there. Alright. Let's see what we can make out of this. Okay, so we have this necklace. And it has a little silver tone, and it has that pendant with the rhinestone or CZ or whatever it might be. It's just, I thought it was a teepee at first because it's a little triangle, goes all the way around. So I'll have to check that out. That is very cute. How does this go? Oh, I think this is a lanyard. Okay. This has a magnetic clasp on it, and it's a lanyard holder. Looks artisan made. And here's the loop that you would clip your lanyard onto. So we have that. We have a pretty gold tone necklace. And whoops. Sorry guys. Alright, we have this gold tone necklace with heart, and it has green stones in it. Pretty. This one caught my eye. I like the shape of it. It's interesting. So this has a round spring clasp. This is really cool. I'm not sure. It's not open in the back. I like the shape of it. It's interesting. It's different. It's got the feather hanging down from it, and it's got these two, whatever they are, is on the side. I like the design. I like it being asymmetrical. Am I still blurry? There you go. Very pretty. That one caught my eye in the picture. And then this one has a lot of wear on the extender. And it looks like I have to reattach it. It came loose. Alright, this might end up being for repurpose. So here's one part of it. And you can see the extender has a lot of wear. It's got abalone circles. I don't know what this stuff is, but that's one part of it. You can't see all the pretty colors in the abalone either. And here's the other part that came unlooped. And you can see the wear. The silver tone is worn right off. So this is going to be a repurposed piece. Probably end up in one of my craft bags. Alright, so we got through that bag. Let's go through some of these earrings. Hopefully they'll stay on the card. Mouse, you need... give me a second, guys. Come on, bud. I'm sorry, but you have to go. Let me set this up again. You guys should be used to seeing him by now, right? Alright, let's show some of these carded earrings. So we have this pair, and they have like that Dreamcatcher web kind of design on them. We have this one is like shield with a heart in the middle. No, 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 you have to come back later. I'm sorry. I have to get through this video. I know you're trying to help. We have this stamp design one with heart motif. really pretty, like shields. I gotta have to possibly got fingerprints on them. This one has 3 hearts on it. Very pretty. This one has a nice design. If you can see it there when I hold it that way. Okay, these say they're made with nickel silver. The cards say that. I'm just going to double check. Alright, so we have that one. It's got that web looking design on it. This pretty one with the red stones, sawtooth bezel, set in sawtooth bezel. Pretty. Wow, there's a lot of these in here. Holy moly. Look at them all. Alright, I might as well show you this one. This one came off the hook. There are 2 of them. The other one came off the hook in the bag. So, that's what that one looks like. Put that right in the bag. That's got to get repaired. Looks like something's got damaged in transit. Be right back, guys. Okay, I'm back. It happens. Okay, we have these lovelies with that web pattern. We have these. They're like multicolor, but really, really subtle looking. We have these hoops. These hoops say sterling silver, so I'll be testing them out. These say nickel silver, but I'll double check. They kind of look like, I think they're, look like moonstone, maybe. So, this shield, it looks like a sunburst in the middle, sun's rays. I'll quickly through these because there's a lot of them. When we get to the other bag, that's going to have mostly, no, you can come back later. You can come back later. Alright, let's try this again. He's persistent. That one's really pretty. It's got the web motif on it. We have a shorter version with the web motif on it. These are really pretty. I love these. I'll be bringing these up at auction for sure. Those. These are pretty. I'll have to do a lot of testing. These have little bear fetishes on their shields. Then we have a blue set with that web design. And this pinkish purple set with the web design. These are gorgeous. Love these. To keep one, find one, pick one for myself. Web design. And then these have hearts. So those are very pretty. Those will be coming up for auction very soon, or I'll just do a buy it now video with all of them where you're just going to pick them by number. I might do that. We'll see. We'll see what I decide on. Just miscellaneous sterling earring in there. I don't know where that came from. Okay, let's get to the last bag here. Try to keep this short as possible. Alright, let me dump these out. I'll have to retest stuff that's supposed to be sterling. So we have this old pin. Pin needs to be straightened out. It also has, so you can make it a pendant. And that is the front. Very pretty. It's got a marking on the back, so I'll have to do some research on that. And we have this cuff bracelet that is stamped also. I'll be using a lot of my testing acid. Okay. And we have this one is also marked. So I'll be testing this one. This is pretty. Look at the size of that lobster clasp on it. Alright, so it's like a braided design. We'll check that out and see if it's real. We have this one. Oh, look at the marcasites on that. And I don't know what the center stones are. That's gorgeous. Wow. It's really nicely made. That one has a mark too. This is a bracelet. Clamps in like that. So I'll have to look for a mark on that. Here's another bracelet. It's got two-tone, gold tone and silver tone. It's got the safety chain on it. Oh, this is a pendant with a cowrie shell set into it. And we have a cuff bracelet. Pretty bracelet with hearts, and I'm not sure if they're blue or black. I can't tell. And then it's got the push clasp with the two safeties on the sides. Open in the back. It is marked also. It is stamped. So we'll have to see on that. This looks rather long. This looks like a long piece. Nice bracelet. Okay, we have this necklace with abalone. It's got like partial polish to here, and then the rest is like natural. They didn't polish it or seal it. Very pretty piece. On the chain. The chain looks to be stamped also. I wish you guys could really see the color that is. And we have this old pin. Whoop, another tangle. There we go. We have this pin. Oldie. Nice stones. It's Coro. I think it's Coro sterling. I'll have to look at that a little better. Nice size pin. We have this ring with marcasites, it looks like, and purple stones, pink stones, red stones, yellow stones, green stones, and it's all open inside. Can you see the inside the ring? It's a nice size ring, I'll tell you that. It's got all those stones going around it, plus it looks like marcasites across the top and the bottom, I think. Wow, that's nice. Alright, then we have this pin, old ducky pin, which is possibly sterling. We'll have to look. We have a malachite ring. It's marked. We have a malachite ring, folks. This will be good for a man or a woman. I don't know how blurry this is. Guess I have to hold them back here. We have a, I guess it's a deer pin, vintage one. This looks like sterling too. There's the clasp on the back. Right, I think it's a deer. Looks like a prancing deer. We have this Liberty pin. It's got some marking on it. I'll have to check it out. And here it is again on a chain. The chain looks to be marked too. So we'll give that a look-see. We have this ring with a blue stone. It's small. It's small. Pretty blue. We have this pendant. Again, I have a lot of stuff to test to see if it's sterling or not. A pendant. Open in the back. Oh, these are nice. Okay, we have these earrings. Abalone. Gorgeous color. I guess we're good here. They're open in the back, like so. I don't even know, is this even how good this is focusing today. Okay, so we have those. We're almost done. These are screw backs. Let's see if they're real sterling. No, stay there. I'm almost done. I'm almost done. Be good. Stay there. Alright, we have this ring with a blue stone. Stay, please. There is this name bracelet with Benny. Let me see. Let me see what this says. Rennie, R-E-N-I-E. Well, there's going to be a tough one to find. Maybe somebody could just, if this is solid sterling. Oh, it's got a date on it too. Maybe somebody could polish that out. Alright, so that bracelet. The links have nice weight to them. We have this bracelet with the sliders on it. This is gorgeous. We have this piece, it's a pin. Nice detail on it. I wish I could show you stuff closer up. I should just tape my magnifier over the lens to show you guys. See, I could show you guys closer up detail. Isn't that pretty? So nice. Let me show you that blue ring that I had before. Or let me show you this ring. There you go. See, you can see it better. I should just attach this to the camera next time. Nice. Let me get that malachite. I'll take this off for a minute. Show you. Here's that malachite ring. There you go. Now you can see it a lot better, right? And thank you, mouse, for that. Alright. Alright, I only have a couple more things to go, and then you can come back, okay? Go on. Alright, let's try that for the last couple items. We have these earrings. There you go. Very pretty. These are screw backs. They have a fan motif to them. Very nice. Put this on here to show you. Here you go. Oh yeah. I think I'll do this next time I show jewelry. Very pretty. A couple things. Okay, we have this necklace. It is stamped for sterling, like that twisted diamond cut rope. There you go. Oh, let me show you this pin now. There you go. Now you can see the true beauty of this pin. I'm trying to get my hand on it so I can look at that. Isn't that amazing? That is a super, super gorgeous piece. Where's that little blue? I'm trying to find that blue ring I had earlier. I can't find it. Here's that bracelet I had earlier. The hearts and the stones. Let's see. Better look at that pattern. Oh, if only my regular camera could do that. So nice. I think this is sterling too. It's a ring. It's a ring on a necklace. And then the last piece feels like liquid silver. Feels like liquid silver. It looks like liquid silver. I'll have to test it. It's this piece, and it's got the dream catcher on it. There you go. The little feather. There you go. Let's see that. Okay. And let me see if there's anything here that I wanted to show you again under the... Here's that pendant. Here's that ring. Here's that other ring. Here's that ring with the blue stone. Pretty. And then, what was that other piece I wanted to show you? That pendant. I just had it in my hand. Here we go. This beautiful pendant. I'll put it in this hand. Put this over here. There you go. Isn't that nice? You can see through it now with it being open in the back. Alright guys, so that was today's haul. I will be putting out more haul videos because I have more packages to open and show you guys before I can put them up for sale. So I appreciate you coming and watching. Just got this whole box of stuff in here and this whole bag of stuff here. And thanks so much. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe. Hit that notification bell, set it to all so you don't miss any future content. And again, thanks for taking your time to watch another video. And I hope to see you guys soon at another auction or buy it now sale or another opening. I'm still going to do an unjarring. I'm going to do one live, and then as I take stuff out of the jar, we might sell some things. And I have other stuff planned with other people too, so just stay tuned and keep watching. And if you are on Facebook, join Flippin' Crazy's Auctions and Sales group on there so you don't miss any videos when I put them out, because sometimes YouTube isn't very good on their notifications. And have a great day, guys. Bye. Thank you so much.